Hello, I'm Maria Ebra and this is my first solo camping. Let's go. So I have to prepare some things before and buy some things, but I'm gonna escape it and don't take video of that. Maybe in camping place and be with you, so be with me. Okay, I arrived and it's very quiet here. I can't even feel comfortable to talk to you because some people are sleeping here. You know, it's like a place for family, not a crazy woman to solo camping and take some videos for YouTube channel. But I try to be kind of quiet, kind of. And yes, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my first solo camping. I have to bring my stuff from my car and let's see, let's go. All right. It was a bit cold, so I changed my clothes. So it was a bit cold. I changed my clothes. You can see my new clothes. Okay, this is my brand new chair. I'm gonna open it. I'm worried. I'm really worried about someone sleeping here. I hope he's fine. He deal with me tonight.
A few moments later.
I love this color, boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, boy!
La, 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 la. Say congratulations to me. You know, my journey just started and I'm so excited. It has, you know, many things. A bag, wow. That's it, a bit. You know, it's very comfortable. I wish you were here. You know, all of you sit together here. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, the point is I am very hungry. I'm gonna grab some things and I start to make kebab. And I'm gonna show you my art about cooking. And you can see I'm a monster. I'm really good and wonderful at cooking. Okay, guys, look what I did. Look what I did. This is a smoked fish, as you can see. Look. This is a miracle. If you're curious if I eat all of them, yes, I'm a monster. I can eat all of them. Don't worry about that. Hey, look at this incredible kebab. I don't know why I couldn't eat. I couldn't eat anything. You see, I couldn't. Okay guys, I'm back. I want to show you how to make potato. Okay, potato in your hand, and it's very complicated. I know maybe first time you cannot make it, but I help you. Just put your ass a bit backward like this and be in the position. You ready? Very complicated. Just put ready in the fire. First of all, it's very lovely. You see my first episode of my solo camping with my comfortable chair. I'm really happy. I'm so happy and glad, satisfied to spend time with you in the nature. I feel like you're here, you know. I don't feel alone because, you know, I'm talking to you. Piece of advice, it's very important about camping. You know, in America, many bears living here, and what should we do if we see a bear? So there is no worries. Don't worry about that. I'm here to teach you how to treat a bear. There is two type of bear. One of them is grizzly, and one of them is black bear. How can we understand which one is grizzly or which one is black bear if we see them? Especially if you're maybe you're colorblind, or you are any reason you cannot understand which one is it. So put your finger, when it's very close to you, put your finger in their mouth, and then if the bear bites you, it's grizzly. Just run as much as very fast, you know, very fast. If just lick it, it's, you know, black bear. It's just it's honey.
Have you ever had a dream that you do?
It's very kind, you know. Just pet him. Just don't do this. Don't believe me. Yes, I have many experiences about camping, but don't do this. I'm just joking. And no, if you're in the nature, just trust to universe, trust our mother nature. Just complete trust, not 100%, because snake bite you and you will die. You have to know, and knowledge is very important about anything. If you're, you know, if you want to marry someone, it can be dangerous. If you don't have knowledge about marriage, it would be dangerous. Yes, we're close to saying goodbye to beautiful sun. Okay, it's unboxing time. All right. Oh wow. Oh, so exciting. I love it. It seems like it's very easy to make it. Oh wow, I've never make a tent like this easy. I remember I had a tent in Iran. It takes very long to make it. Bro, I love this. I guess that it only took a minute to make it. It's crazy. I'm so excited. Dude, this is my beautiful tent, and I'm so excited. This is my sleeping bag. This is also brand new, and I'm so happy because, you know, my main journey in my life, my real journey in my life started, and I'm gonna go travel everywhere, even alone, maybe with some friends. but I just started and I want to go many ways just solo, and I don't know, so happy. So wait for me. Wow. This is that potato that I made. Do you remember? Okay. What a beautiful journey, guys. What a beautiful journey. Now it's night. Now, actually, it's a bit crowded here in this campground. And I'm so happy because no animal eat me. And yeah, I'm grateful not because of this nature and not because of everything is okay. I have very good food, good weather, nature is good. No, it's because of life. Life is not about happiness, in my opinion. Life is about experiences, even bad, even good. It's good because we have experiences and it's beautiful. And we are in a long travel in this world, and one day we have to say goodbye to this beautiful world. And I'm always happy and thankful and grateful about God, because God gave me this opportunity to wake up every day in this beautiful planet, and its name is the Earth. The Earth. Look at my beautiful tent with beautiful light under this beautiful tree. And I'm a beautiful girl in this tent. I'm a beautiful girl in this beautiful tent. It's so uncomfortable. I cannot be very loud here, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm a beautiful girl in a beautiful tent. Show you the light on the tree. Look, don't be shocked. La 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 la. Look at this beautiful pot. I brought it from Iran and I love it. I remember my dad said, don't take it to America, please. And I was like, no, I want it. He was like, no, okay, you can buy it. It's not good. Don't bring it. Don't take it over there. And no, I said no. I love it because it doesn't have any lid, as you can see, and the tea always tastes very smoked, and I love it. I love smoked taste.
Here we go. I need this right now. I need this right now. I need this right now. This is my life. There's so much pressure, but with this music, I feel much better. I dance all night. It's my salvation. Love is the message, my motivation. do. I live in a world of despair, of darkness, and this music is the only thing that brings me pleasure, the only thing that brings light into my life. Don't you understand? I need this right now. Don't take this away from me. This is all I got. This is all I want. This is all I need. I need this right now. I need this right now. I need this right now. Here we go. Here we go. Pressure. 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 I need this right now. Pressure. I need this right now. Pressure. I need this right now. Pressure. This is my life. There's so much pressure. But with this music, I feel much better. I dance all night. It's my salvation. Love is the message, my motivation. This is my life. There's so much pressure. But with this music, I feel much better. I dance all night. It's my salvation. Love is the message, my motivation. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Pressure. Pressure. Pressure.
All of the campers are sleeping right now. I can't even talk. It's so quiet. I can't talk to you. I want to make a potato, and you know how to make it because I taught you. I already taught you. Don't you know that how to make it. Push your ass to backward and through. Now I wanna make mushroom. Still, I have to be quiet. Can you help me?
I need more energy. Can you help me?
You have to fill it with cream cheese like this.
I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice.
I learned from a good friend. He taught me just make a stone very warm and bring it to the tent so it makes me warm. What a good idea. What a good idea. You have to put the stone in a fabric and then put in your sleeping bag or in your tent. It makes you warm. La 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 la. Have a good night. Have a good night, guys. La, 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 la. I just woke up. It was amazing. Sleeping in nature worked for me. Now that stone in my tent, I have to say goodbye to it, and I really appreciate it because it made me very warm last night. And I have to say thank you to my friend for this great, amazing idea. And the point is, it stayed very, very hot for a couple of hours. All right, what a beautiful day. Okay, it's the end, guys. It's the end. Last night I had very great experiences. One of them was I feel depressed and alone because I've never been, in solo camping and alone. It was very different. And I was like, why I feel depressed? I'm always happy, even with me, just by myself. But the point is, the depression was in me. And because of the war, my family are far from me, and many reasons. This is the depression I feel. And actually, I faced it last night because I was alone. And actually, I had experience about camping. I wasn't alone. In my country, it wasn't quiet. This place was so quiet. I've heard like a little bit noises from everywhere. And I was like, oh my God, what's this? Yes, about my depression, I just faced it and it solved. Nature just helped me to heal it because I accept this challenge and I was alone. So I don't know how to explain it. It's very complicated for me to explain it because I just faced it. I can tell you, I just faced it. And I was like, okay, this is my feeling. Now I'm quiet. This silence helped me, to face it and see what's going on in me. And it was very interesting. I healed. I feel too much better, and I really appreciate Mother Nature. It was amazing. I don't know how to tell you, but I always like to practice to be alone and stay alone because I believe that we come to this world, to this beautiful planet, Earth, alone. And we just have a short trip. We meet some people, even like our family, friends. They're with us in this short trip. And one day we have to say goodbye to this world and leave this planet alone. So we have to practice to be alone, to face some things, to, it's very impressive. Yes, to be alone. Practice it and enjoy your life alone. Yes, we are here to be with some people we love. Some people are, we hate them or they hate us. It doesn't matter. They're just for teaching us, and it's beautiful. And yes, I'm really, grateful about this. very, you know, emotional. Another thing, piece of advice: if you are not comfortable to poop in the nature, just practice and start with pee. If you are not comfortable to pee in the nature, just start with fart. Go somewhere, nobody see you, and fart, and then start to pee, and then start to poop. Okay, now I invite you to listen my live mix, and I have DJ set for you. To the next episode, I have to say goodbye to you. Bye bye.